Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Outlook on the web or desktop and signing in. This gives you access to the folders you'll modify. Once done, go straight to Inbox or the folder that contains the messages you want to remove, and use Search to narrow results by sender or subject. Make selections by clicking one message, using Shift to pick a range, or Control to pick multiple non-adjacent items. Doing this first saves time and prevents accidental deletion of unrelated mail. Now delete the selected messages using the Delete key, right-click Delete, or the Toolbar button. Each action moves mail to deleted items. If you filtered results, press Ctrl+A to select all and delete in bulk. For recurring mail, use Sweep or Set rules to automatically delete future messages from the same sender, and use Cleanup to remove redundant thread copies. Make sure to check folder settings like Archive or Retention, so deletions behave as you expect. Finish by emptying deleted items or trash to permanently remove messages. If you rely on auto-empty, confirm its schedule. Once done, make sure to check Recover Deleted Items or the Recoverable Items folder within 30 days if you need to restore anything. If deletion fails or messages reappear, verify your device sync status, available mailbox quota, and account permissions. These commonly block removals. If using an Exchange or work account, contact your admin to check retention policies that may prevent permanent deletion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.